Here at Operation Anti-Fragile, we believe the breath is one of the most powerful tools for transformation. This curriculum is designed to help you build a strong and more adaptable nervous system and help you learn better and proper breathing mechanics, improving your respiratory health as well. So whether you're a veteran, first responder, everyday athlete, general population, this curriculum is designed to help you. These 10 lessons follow a progressive path from foundational awareness to advanced integration. You'll learn how to assess your own breathing, improve your CO2 tolerance, and use your breath to both improve your recovery and performance. These lessons can all stand alone, but when you use them together, it's a great system to truly become anti-fragile. How you breathe affects how you live. So we want to make sure that you're using proper mechanics first. Otherwise, it's kind of like squatting with bad form or bench pressing with bad form. Yeah, you're going to feel something, but it may not be the right thing, and it's not going to get you stronger. So you want to find your breath IQ with a self-assessment. You can use a cloth measuring tape like this. Okay, find your first rib a little bit below the nipple here. Wrap this around. Then we're going to take a measurement and make a note of your inhale and your exhale. So take a deep breath in the nose once you get this tight. Make a note of where it is. Exhale it out, and then make another note. Write those down. I'll put the formula to use in the notes, and then you can go back and reference it. Another good self-assessment and part of the breath IQ is also establishing if you're a horizontal, vertical, or more of a hybrid breather. Most people start out as horizontal breathers, but then around the age of 5, they stop. You start seeing adults kind of sucking in, superheroes got their big chest, and you start using your accessory muscles instead of your primary muscle, the diaphragm. And then it gets weak and just doesn't work as well. So another self-assessment you want to do, one hand on the belly, one hand on the chest, and just breathe naturally. And make a note, does my chest rise and fall? Okay, mine isn't, but some people are a little bit more of a hybrid, doing that horizontal and vertical, belly, chest, and then there's some people that are just vertical. So you take your measurements, and then also if you're a horizontal, vertical, or hybrid, and that gives you your score. From there, we'll reassess in about a month and see if you've improved at all. Our next self-assessment is the CO2 tolerance test, or the BOLT test. So what you want to do with this one, very simple. Make sure you're relaxed. Take a deep inhale in the nose. Exhale it all out. Pinch the nose. Start a timer. Okay. See how long it takes. If you get to 40 seconds or more, very good. 20 seconds or less, not so good. We need some improvement. Okay. If you're in 30 seconds, that's kind of about where most people are. So make a note of that. And then we're going to be doing some exercises to help improve your mechanics and your CO2 tolerance. And then we'll retest again in about a month. Our first exercise is going to be simple. It's a diaphragmatic breathing drill. I want to emphasize again, though, the importance of having proper breathing mechanics while you're doing this, and also being in a comfortable private setting. So make sure that you're seated or laying down in a position where you can have a straight spine and really engage your diaphragm. I like to use these meditation benches. It's really easy on my knees, and I can sit here for 30 minutes to an hour and still be very comfortable. So when you're doing this exercise, I also want you to be breathing primarily through your nose, working on some nasal breathing, and make sure you can also have your hands on your diaphragm, or you could even, if you struggle with engaging it, take a resistance band and just kind of hold it here like this. And this way you kind of have something to press against as you're doing this drill. Okay, but it's up to you. Okay, so with that, find that comfortable seated position, and we'll get started in just a moment.